Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Today, we're back on Raphael. I know it's kind of been a little different videos here for the last week or so, but we're back on it. I got the flywheel key replaced, and I did torque the flywheel nut this time. Double checked it. So let's see if this thing will fire up or not. So, alright. Alright y'all, here we go. Got everything hooked up. Turn our jump pack on. Get our little gas tank turned on here. Add some choke to it. And let's gonna get contact. Awesome. Let's awesome. Booyah. Love it. So, carb still needs a little bit of fine tuning, but fuel pump's pumping, and yeah, got a little smoke coming out of there because, you know, brand new build. So, awesome. I'm happy. I'm ecstatic. So, alright. Shut the fuel off here from the tank. Just because. So, alright. Now, we can move on to other things. So, alright. Let's get this done. Alright, y'all. We're going to move to the back of the tractor now. Well, we got the engine going. And we're going to put the C-clips on the axles, which are right here. You guys can see in there. Focus. There we go. They're right there. And there is not enough room for me, you, and my hands and everything else to get in there. To they just snap on a little groove. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll get the move on to the next thing. And after that, all right, y'all, got that both of them on. There's just the one on the one side there. Let's see if you guys can see. Yeah, got the one on that side. So yeah, we're ready to button this thing up back here. So next thing, we're going to get the hitch together and get it bolted on. So let's take care of that. Oh, and if you guys are looking for those clips, those E-clips, cheapest place I found them was on Amazon. So right there's the number, name of the company. So I'll try to leave a link down in the description. But yep, there we go. All right, y'all. We're up actually here at my daily shop. We got the eBay hitch. We're gonna weld it up because the welds, I don't like the weld. I like the hitch. The hitch is nice. I've used one for over a year, or for about a year, and they work really nice. It's just these welds, they leave a little something to be desired. So we're gonna weld it up. I was gonna do it at the home shop, but I lost power. So hopefully it comes back on and we can actually get this thing installed. If not, this might be a short video, but anyways, I'm gonna get the camera turned around here and we'll do a little welding. All right, y'all. Let's see if we can weld this thing up. So. Well, we need ground first. There we go. Alright, I need to turn the heat up a little bit. I may have been messing with my settings. So, alright, try this one more time. That looks a lot better. All right. I'll go ahead and do this one down here. Ground clamps in the way. We're going to skip right here because there's a bolt that goes in there. Power! Woo, that plate's hot right there. Right there where my hand was at. Alright, gotta move the ground clamp one more time. I got in a little bit of a hurry right there. All right. Yeah. We got her all welded up here. I'm gonna flip it over. Put a few welds here on the back where these plates come through. So. All right, I think it looks pretty good. So, all right, we'll let her cool down, and then after it cools down, we might go install it. All right, y'all, we're back at the daily shop, daily work. We still didn't have power when I got home, that thing being cool, so we're not gonna be able to install it in this video. But promise you, next video we're gonna get that installed, the wheelie bars, and probably start working on the weight bars. So at least we got the engine running, right? So appreciate y'all watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and consider becoming a member. Help support the channel, and Amazon links, all the tools, everything I use, all the tools I review and everything are all in my Amazon store. So go support that too. Appreciate it if you would. So again, thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.